You are going to make a value study using Photoshop. Start with the best picture you can. If you look under Image and Size, it shouldn't be too small. This one is 10 by 12 inches and 170 pixels per square inch resolution. Something along those lines is fine. Make sure that you're not using something that's 2 by 3 inches and 72 pixels per square inch, because you just won't get as good a result. So number one, choose the best picture you can to begin with. And it also should have clear areas of shadow and dark. I'm going to start by setting the colors to black and white. I've just opened this. This is my layers. I also want history open. I'm going to make 2 copies of this background layer. I just need to drag it on top of the page icon to create the first one. Double click, and I'm going to rename this one Gray and White. And then I want to make a copy of this one. And that one I'm going to rename Black. I want to start by working on my gray and white layer, so I'll turn the eye off. I'm going to set this so it's gray and white, so I'll click here once and choose a light gray color. Okay, you've done the next step before. It's the stamp filter. Pull down Filter. Oops, can't do anything yet. Press Return if you're stopped at a certain stage and you don't, if these are grayed out. Let's see. Here I am. Come back to the layer. I need to be on this layer. So Filter, Sketch, Stamp. Then you're going to set this one to fit on screen. For the first stamp, I want you to turn the light-dark balance up quite a bit and turn smoothness off. You're trying to get maximum gray area in here, but still retain a white highlight. So smoothness can come up until you start losing too much detail. Even that is fine, and I'm just going to take it up as far as I can here. This will end up being one of my color layers. So somewhere right in here is going to be right. 48. That takes it to just about the right level. It doesn't look like much now, but it will when I work on this second layer. So I'm going to come up here to the black layer, and this one I want to set to black and white. I do that by clicking here, and I'm going to do Filter again, only this time let me show you this. The first filter, I had the light-dark balance turned all the way to the right. I'm going to bring it back down considerably. And I'm also going to bring the smoothness down quite a bit. I just want to get a fine line quality here, and you can keep in as much detail as you want or as little. It really will depend. This will be the dark area, your darker color. And I like a lot of detail in there, but I also might want a little less speckling. This would, if I put back a bit of smoothness here, I want to define that area of the cheek. This will probably work out fine. I'll press OK. Okay, now for this layer, I have to remove the white. It's masking the gray underneath it. So I'm going to choose the magic wand, which is right here. Remember, you do not want contiguous checked. Click once in the white area, select similar, and then just press delete. Okay, and the last step is select, deselect, or simply Command D. That's the image that I have to work with, and that's as much as you need to do for today. I just want you to get a value study done, white, gray, and black, defined that way. Maybe choose several different pictures and do a series. Do more than one, because you'll find out that some pictures will work much better than others. When you finish this one, save, and we're going to end up printing these out. So make sure you make a folder, call it Value Study, and let's do this one with your name. This happens to be Amir. And I'm not going to change it from Photoshop just yet. Okay, press save and OK. That's all. Thank you very much. Good luck with that.